So for Monsters, Inc., we created a new department called set dressing.
And it's in set dressing that we take our empty sets and we fill them with furniture and props and all the little things that make a world look lived in.
So now we'd like to introduce you to the person responsible for heading up that department, Sophie Wieselet.
So I'll take you into the computer to show you how the set dressing artists take the model that are given to us by the modeling department, the architectures, the props, to put this all together into believable environments for our characters to act in.
This office is now closed.
So here I have an example of the sushi restaurant, and this is our working environment. This is the software we use to create these sets. And we have a camera view here. That's the shot that the layout department has created. This is the shot that will be seen in the movie. But I also have this other camera here that I can use to view the sets in different angle if that's easier for me to view the set from, for example, this angle. If I need to position a detail here, a piece of sushi on the plate, I can easily use that secondary camera to get in closer to have a better view. So I can take this sushi, and for example, if I wanted to put the sushi on its side, I can very well do that. So here's the sushi on the plate. I'd probably have to do a little bit more tweaking to get it not to intersect with the plate. That's an example. Here, perhaps we want to move the cup a little bit more screen right. So I'm going to position this secondary camera here the top as a top-down view, and I'm going to move his cup a little bit more screen right. And so you can imagine that this is the software we use to create these sets. All these individual props, all the architectures are put together with these tools to create the environments for our characters.
Oh my God. I've had a lot of birthdays, well, not a lot of birthdays, but this is the best birthday ever.
So now I want to show you a very specific model we worked with on this movie. It's called Pipe-O-Matic. And Pipe-O-Matic is a tool consisting of a variety of components like straight pieces, connecting pieces, and curved pieces. And that tool was built by a modeling TD to allow us to put all these pieces together to form a set of pipes. One thing that the set dressing department is also responsible for is the shader variants, different appearances. And in the set dressing department, the artists are responsible to integrate these variants into the set. Different types of metal that we could apply to the different pipes, depending on what set they were shown in. And this was all made from the single components that we saw earlier. Now let me show you some examples from the movie of pipes that were used as maybe a different way that was intended. The console in the secret lair where Randall and Fungus work is also made out of individual pieces of models we found in different sets, but mainly Pipe-O-Matic. Every individual model that we get from the modeling department is integrated into these sets to create these environments.
Say hello to the Scream Extractor.
Hello. Come on, where you going? We'll talk. Come on, we'll have a latte.